My name's Alyshia Laidlaw. I'm originally from Brampton, Ontario, Canada, and I'm a 3L student here at Yale Law School. My favorite part of Yale Law School is hands down the people. I have met some of the most intelligent, passionate, interesting people here that I've ever met in my entire life. I think the conversations I've had with students here have helped me both grow as a student, but really as a person. I've learned so many things in so many different areas. I've refined my debating skills and my conversational skills, and I've even learned a lot of things about myself. And while that sounds incredibly academic, the people here are also fun and kind and charming, and I have met some of my best friends at this law school, so 100% the people. One of the organizations I joined basically the first day I got to YLS was the Yale Law and Business Society, or YLBS. I was welcomed by YLBS when I was an admitted student the spring before enrolling at the law school, and I thought the community was fantastic. Great people, they were interested in what I was interested in, corporate and business law. So as soon as I got to YLS, I joined, and during my 2L year, I served as one of the co-presidents. And that was probably one of the most formative experiences I've had at the law school. I got to help form a community of students who are interested in business and corporate law and kind of provide a home for them in a place where not everybody has the same goals. We got to plan a barbecue for students, we had a lot of speaker events, and one of the capstone experiences was planning our alumni achievement banquet, where I got to present one of our esteemed alumni, Lena Tettelbaum, with an award, and she became a mentor at my firm that I was at last summer. So all in all, YLBS has been a great experience at YLS. One of the fellowship programs I'm part of here at YLS is the CHE Initiative in Private Sector Leadership, which is part of the Sci Leadership Program. And what that program does is it introduces us to the many alum we have at YLS who are working outside of the law. Now, it may seem like a law degree is restrictive and you can only practice as a lawyer, but that is definitely not the case. There are alum working in a variety of different fields, from entertainment to national security to life sciences, and I've met so many people in those fields through the Sci Leadership Program. I think it's really helped me carve a path for where my career is going to end up after a law firm, if that's where it takes me, and it's opened up my eyes to the opportunities available with a Yale Law School degree. One of the other activities that has been especially meaningful is my involvement in the Entrepreneurship and Innovation Clinic. In that clinic, unlike most of the other clinics here that work on litigation matters, we work on transactional matters. So all of our clients are small businesses and they might need help setting up their business entity or issuing equity or debt. And throughout my 5 semesters in the clinic, I've gotten to work with 4 amazing small business clients, mostly in the biotech field. And it's given me a real look at what corporate law and specifically transactional law will look like in a place where there's not many opportunities to do that. And I think that that's been one of the most preparatory experiences for what my work will be after law school. After graduation, I'll be starting at the law firm Wachtell, Lipton, Rosen & Katz in New York City this fall, and I'll be working as a corporate associate, mostly doing mergers and acquisitions and similar transactional work. After developing my skill set in corporate law, I'd like to return to the life sciences field, which is where I was before law school, whether that's at a bigger company or preferably at a smaller, early stage startup company where I can serve in a strategic business role and help get their company off the ground.